Señora, por favor. Can you come, please? I want to exchange the Caribbean currencies. Do you understand me? Yes? I need to find... Do you have a...
Tiene que retirarse entonces, que no puede tirar. No, sin eso, tiene que quitarse.
Can you answer my question, señora? No? Look, señora, if I want to make operation, I'll give you my passport. You will know my ethnicity and my origin, my identity. Yes, if it will be necessary. But right now, there is no reason for me to make this. Do you understand? I just need to change money, that's all. Make a cambio. Do you understand? That's everything that I need. I'm a famous traveler. Senora, can you exchange me Caribbean currencies or not? You cannot exchange. Do you understand what I mean? What I'm asking? Caribbean money, this Caribbean dollar, Bagama dollar. I want to buy it here.
The bank remove this.
Do you have that money? Do you have that money or not, Senora?
No.
You don't have
Yes.
Caribbean dollar and Bagama dollar. Do you have it here?
Yes.
You have it here. Can I see? I want to buy it here. I want to make exchange. Do you understand? Cambio. Huh? Dollar to pesos. Only. Dollar americano. Euro dollar. Only these two money. That's all. That's all. No otro dinero. Okay. Ciao. Дебилы. Senor, can you tell me where is the National Bank? Don't worry, I'm not dangerous. ¿Dónde Banco Nacional?
¿Banco?
Banco Nacional, Banco de...
Popular.
No, Banco... Central Bank of Santo Domingo. Grande Banco. Central Bank of Dominican Republic.
Eso era Chuchi. El centro Chuchi.
Chuchi?
Porque quiere un banco grande como este, ¿verdad?
Sí, Central Bank, Bank Nacional. Una prima banco.
Popular, en la esquina.
¿Ah?
En la esquina.
Ok. Vamos.